So today is the day I will be getting the turbo kit. I'm going to pick it up from Birmingham about 5 o'clock, but beforehand I'm gonna do a few little jobs to make it more ready for conversion. I'm gonna remove this intake. As you can see, I already removed the exhaust manifold, which is just down there. I have sold it for a good cash. Then after that I'm gonna take a look at interior and get it ready for the gauges. Okay, the next step will be to get rid of my standard O2 sensor, which goes just down there, and replace it with wideband for my new AFR gauge. So for the wiring, I'm gonna be using the one that goes into original lambda sensor. These 4 wires will have to be connected down to this loom. One end will go directly into the back of the AFR gauge, and another one connects on one side as well to the back of the gauge, and this plug goes into the new AFR, which will go straight into the downpipe. I fed all the wires through this grommet down there. So this is another day. I have picked up turbo, but I forgot about manifold, so I can't really install it yet. But I'm gonna do all the lines, try to mock up the intercooler, check does the downpipe fit my current system. The new kit came with Flying Miata exhaust system, but I would rather keep mine, so if that fits, that would be awesome. There's some of the hardware I'm missing, some of it as well, like banjo bolts and fitting for the lines, so we'll have to figure out what I need and order it, and then after fit the new injectors and the new fuel pump, and we'll go from there. Next step will be to drain the oil, but because I changed the oil recently, I'm not gonna waste it. It's 19. And the courtesy of the previous owner, he was preparing the car for the boosted application, and he already drilled the sump. I don't have enough space to fit here intercooler pipe, so I'm gonna move the fan somewhere about here, maybe on these bolts, to have some more space. In the meantime, while I have a lot of working space, I'm gonna sort this mess out. As you can see, the hose is leaking, plus this is just fixed by liquid metals. This is the reason why it was leaking in the first place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this and tap and die inside the thermostat housing. Now these two are the cooling lanes, water cooling lanes that go on the turbo one on this side. I'm gonna be using a kit from Buffy Racing, which is basically a banjo bolt, 2 copper washers, that screws right on. The line connects to it like so on both sides of the turbo. Now that's the oil drain connected and both coolant lines.